So if you're familiar with certain scraping techniques, and that might sound a little harsh, like we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna scrape out your tissue, but if you're a true diehard athlete, you may have used the Graston technique, which is a form of scraping. But I have something really exciting to share with you guys today because there's a new massage tool out there, very similar to Graston, but it actually is a new heated scraper. And I really don't kid you on this one. So buckle in, I've got a new product to share with you guys.
It's about getting to the root problem.
Hey everyone, it's Dr. Heather here, your virtual sports chiropractor, and I've been dying to share this information with you guys because I've tested it out now on numerous patients, all who are really seeing some interesting benefits when I've used the Achedaway heated scraper. And I'm going to show it all to you guys right now. So about a month ago, I was given a chance to go ahead and demonstrate this really cool product. And as you can see, it came in a really nice little kind of package, nice little case right here. But inside was this tool that is remarkably changing the way we deal with soft tissue injuries. So let's take a look at the device itself. So if you're one of my many massage therapists, or maybe you're really an extreme athlete, you may have picked up some Graston tools on the way or some knockoff brands, and you'll notice that those types of tools are heavy, they're metal, and usually they're kind of cold. Well, the Achedaway Scraper is a little bit different. So as you can see, as I'm holding it up here for you guys, it is a triangular shape. Okay, so here is the metal edge of the scraper. And then from here, what you can see is there's a pointy end and then a soft kind of rounded, pointy end and then a rounded end over here. So this allows for you to do long strokes and then to get into some other types of crevices areas, mainly like around the joint surfaces, say around the ankle. And then if you needed to go ahead and get into like teres minor, things like that around the shoulder blade, you've got a more kind of not pointy end, but you've got a nice kind of rounded end surface here. Now, the heating device, it does heat up pretty quickly. I'm going to try to pull it up onto the screen right now for you guys. I don't know if you can see that, but if you can see that, it does heat up. It is in Celsius, but as you can see, it really gets nice and warm, and it heats up pretty quickly. So I have my hand on the device right now, and I can feel the heat pretty strongly coming through. Now, it is nicely shaped in the sense of this triangular shape allows for good grip when working on tissue. It has some weight to it, but if you can see, there are some grooved lines here, whereas with the Graston tools, once you put massage lotion on a patient, you're kind of slipping and sliding a little bit more. With this grip, you're kind of having a nicer, firmer grip around the area. Now, I have some demo videos to show you guys within this product review, so I want to kind of go ahead and show those to you now. The first one we're going to take a look at is actually of that of an ankle. So on the screen, like I said, you're going to see this is one of my patients. She has a chronic history of just always spraining the ankles, feeling like they just kind of get overused. So we went ahead and we worked in really kind of not just the calf and the soleus, but you're going to notice I went into the perineals on the outside of the lower leg, and then I started going right into the actual joint of the ankle as well. Now, granted, I only did one session so far with the patient, but they did notice that they could feel some improvement when it came to the leg in general, which is really, really good. Now, the next is I went ahead and did some work on another individual who's got more of a tight neck due to the fact that they have had some fusion in their cervical spine. So went ahead and really kind of started working in the upper trap, and then also too trying to get into the levator scap, and then also down towards like the mid-back scapular area. Now, that person did notice some improvement with neck range of motion, which was really good. Now, the next person I tried it on is somebody who's actually received a Synvis injection in their knee for mainly osteoarthritis. Here, what happened was we went ahead and we could actually, nice thing was to allow for this heating motion, this heating scraper to get really close to the bursa sacs, be able to really kind of push fluid and tissue, around really nicely here. And then when the patient did kind of sit up on the table, they were actually able to sit more crisscross applesauce in a more comfortable position, which was really huge, just seeing some really huge improvement. The last person I did try it on for this product review video was somebody who was having a little bit more mid-back pain, mid-back discomfort, just due to overworking it with the sledgehammer in the sense of axe, cutting some firewood, because as you know, it's winter right now, so it's a little chilly. So we, went ahead and worked the tissue out here in broader strokes. Now, I will say you are going to notice that the patients are going to bruise a lot quicker because you're getting that reaction a lot faster here due to the heat, due to the fact that the tool does provide vibration as well. So those capillaries are going to really break a lot quicker versus using the Graston technique. Now, I would highly recommend that you guys go ahead and also check out this other PT that I'm going to leave you on the screen right now with. He went ahead and did a nice demonstration showing the difference between using the Achedaway Scraper and the Graston technique on a patient, really looking at the whole entire backside of their patient. And you can see there's a remarkable difference between how quickly we were able to see a change and reaction in the tissue versus using the Graston technique. Now listen, I've been really pleased with this product so far, using it with my patients, and I would hope that if you have further questions, drop those comments down below, because as always, we're here to help serve a greater group of people, which is all those that come to us for aid and help. Now, like I said, the Achedaway Scraper is brand new to the marketplace. You're going to see a lot of product reviews on there, but by all means, I really do give it a thumbs up. It is a great tool, and I hope that many other chiropractors and sports physicians and physical therapists and massage therapists really do take advantage of this really great tool in helping their patients recover faster. All right, guys, again, I can't say enough great words about the Achedaway Scraper. All right, I'll catch you all in the next video.